Actually, we're on time.
Yeah! We're on time.
There's no one.
Time live on
Baby's first
Instagram.
time live.
So nervous. Hey guys, hello! 估下我哋喺邊度 ？Guess where we are？ 估下我哋喺邊度
How to say 上海？
上海。
上海。
而家我哋喺上海。
而家我哋喺上海。
Yeah! Hello!
Hello 大家。
Hello 大家好。This is our model, 星手 model, Chelsea.
新手 singer。
You're a singer as well.
新手。
你好。
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 La Boo Boo's here.
La Boo Boo.
Hello, La Boo
Hello
Boo.
Justin.
Thank you. She's really pretty.
She's really pretty.
Shut up.
We're 而家 in hotel because 上海。
上海嘅酒店，我哋陪大家一齊倒數聖誕。
係啊。
耶！有冇
so？
但我想知你哋聖誕同邊個過 ？Do you understand？
Yeah.
我聖誕就同喬美莎過。Do you know my Chinese name? Do you remember?
周志文。
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna open it later.
Hello.
整点生煎包 is coming.
Actually,
Yeah, 我们刚刚点外卖了。
點外賣了。
Yeah. Hello.
Hello 大家。
幾時要開始彩排演唱會？就嚟㗎啦，都練過，不過而家過咗聖誕先。
先
Yes.
Let's celebrate Christmas first and then we'll see.
Yeah. Celebrate Christmas with you guys. Yes.
Oh,
Love you so much.
太呢個係 What is this?
So problematic.
In Shanghai, they have an M&M place.
Yes. We'll open it later.
Yeah. Last Christmas, you gave.
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. Gave it away. Everyone's like covering the song.
Yeah, I think
Oh,
everyone has covered this song
Yes.
except for Emily.
Stop.
Emily, we need to cover.
这一小杯挺贵的，对你付钱。我送给你一颗。
我跟 Emily 说，我说我们可以用你那个小时候的照片放上面。
Oh yeah！
然后，
太好笑了
但是他们只让用一个图片，所以我们就用了 Emily 的。
我们明天可以去哦，再去一次，然後放她的照片。
我們給你帶一個聖誕禮物。
可唔可以 at 星秀嘅人入嚟？有邊個想加入？
Justin 想嗎？
係咯。
La Boo Boo。
Justin，我已經忘記他名字了，我叫他太多。La Boo Boo。張俊明，你想要唔要？張俊明，你想唔想加入我哋個 live？
今天我幫到 Emily 化妝。
耶！
係啊，所以而家少少濃妝。
Oh, you have your Hello Kitty? Wait.
我
我要攞啲嘢。
Hi Johnson， 有。
Yeah. Okay. 喵。Okay. Kuromi.
我們就
他準備睡覺了。Okay. Do we care? 可唔可以 wink？ Wink。聖誕快樂各位！
聖誕快樂！
Oh my god, matching.
Matching. Where did you get yours from? I got mine.
Japan.
I got mine from Pinduoduo. Pinduoduo.
Kuromi.
Yes, Emily is Kuromi.
耶！
你们觉得像吗？ She's so similar.
Kuromi 是好人。
啊
Oh my god, hi!
Hi 菲菲。
菲菲
You
菲
two
菲
are at travel.
在哪里 ？Guess where we are？
猜猜。
叫 Hubert 入嚟，都唔知 Hubert。
Hubert is probably sleeping in his bed.
Hubert。I miss Hubert。
歐菲。
係咯。
而家喺
Hello。
上海。
而家我哋喺上海。
我們 we will be posting pictures tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow。
期待一下。
幾時 busking？下年。喺香港啊，唔係香港 ，sorry, we left. Yeah, we went to somewhere fun. Yes, 上海 ，Oh my god.
上海。
Yeah. 仲想為我尖叫，多謝。我本人。Did you watch my episode?
Which episode?
Like 難忘你都聽過。知道。Hi, oh my god, hi guys！第一次 live 有啲緊張，都去上海，上海好玩，fun。好 water。去咗邊度玩？我哋去咗上海慶祝聖誕節。幾時可以見面？好快
快點好不好？快點，我們。
美莎好可愛。
嚇？
美莎好可愛，可唔可以幫我錫啖美莎？Do we kiss or something? Chelsea.
Actually, this is the flop trip.
Wait, no, I don't like it.
Okay. 所以 like 昨天我们来到上海的时候，我们的飞机是9点。Like our plane was at 9 o'clock, and then do you want to explain in Cantonese?
OK， 就其實呢個 trip 咧，其實就係好多
意外。
意外啦，因為意外嘅，即係有啲蠢嘅嘢發生咗。就譬如就係某啲人，我約咗7點喺機場等，然之後唔係6點喺機場等，然之後佢7點到咯。
7點呀。
就 basically 佢遲咗1個鐘。I was just waiting。我諗住打俾佢 ，OK。
因為
唔聽。
我嘅手機冇 alarm. My alarm didn't go off. So
I'm scared。
she was calling me and calling me.
敏妹妹。
And she was waiting for me. And
Yeah.
Like, maybe.
總之就等咗1個鐘。
係。
等咗佢1個鐘。哦，不過佢好彩佢出現咗，然之後我哋最尾都係趕上飛機咯。呢個係我唯一一次趕上飛機咯。Because normally I just like 我會有好多時間，預好多時間。
So we were rushing.
Yes. And also another stuff 就係佢唔見咗佢個相機咯，喺個的士度。
係啊，
死人。
I left it in the DD.
好恐怖。
And 我們沒有 we don't have the phone number. So we were using our Hong Kong number and it wasn't working. So I was freaking out and 我們找到了一個 person and we will like,
Yeah，有人幫我哋。
Please,
Can you help Chelsea？
可以
可唔可以幫佢？
And yeah, but 幸好 the Didi came back and he gave me back my camera.
可唔可以唱電燈膽 ？You remember 電燈膽？
No, wait, try.
好嘅，好耐冇唱啦，死啦。OK。
I'll
能迴避嗎？我怕了，當那電燈膽黏着你們，來來回委曲中受難。一個我被撇低，卻又很不慣，要找的一剎又折返。耶！幾時返香港？When's our flight?
26.
Boxing Day， 我哋 Boxing Day 就會返香港26號。可唔可以唱 All I Want? All I Want for Christmas is You. Okay.
Oh, thank you. We just nearly kissed. that was close.
I don't want for a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need.
And I
Don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. Baby, all I want for Christmas is you. It's you guys. 係你哋啊 ！Oh my god！ Yay！ 睇下先，仲有啲咩 ？Are you using hotel Wi-Fi? No.
stable.
冇啊。
No.
Yay！ 多謝。點解你哋兩個一齊 ？Why are we together?
Because
Because
今年第一次冇 family in because this year I decided to spend Christmas in Hong Kong, so 没有家人 and I'm sad. So I say, what can I do? And then Emily was like, Chelsea,
Let's go!
let's go somewhere. So
Yay!
等一次
Can we sing Santa Tell Me? Santa tell me if
Oh,
you
shit.
really care. Cause I don't give it all away if you won't be here next year. Santa tell me if you really cares. Cause I don't give it all away if you won't be here next year. Yay! 我隔離係邊個？就係 our supermodel 喬美莎 Chelsea from 星秀。
But
Yeah.
Can we tell everyone when I got eliminated?
說吧，說用 Can you use like Chinese?
第一 round. 不過 it's okay 因為 I'm friends with Emily. Yeah.
She's slay. My first time in Shanghai, yes. It's my first time, but it's like Chelsea's like third time. 我以為佢可以做我好好嘅導遊，不過
I don't know anywhere, bro. I'm a foreigner. in this
Okay,
country still.
true. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
所以我哋其實我都唔係好知我哋去咗邊。
So it's
Well-
been so overstimulating. 'Cause
Yeah.
everywhere we go, we're like, where are we?
Yeah, I have no idea where we went.
Every second, 每一分鐘, I'm like asking people like, do you know
Where we are.
guy how to do this? Guy, where are we going?
Yeah. 我中意 Kurami, yes.
我中意
Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
Yeah. Yeah. 麥花臣改期係啊，我哋而家改咗1月17號麥花臣演唱會。
好
Yay!
期
So
待，係咪
excited.
是期待人講話？
期待。
期待，好期待。
期待。Can you sing? Can you sing Titanic? Someone asked. Every night.
in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you. Go on. Yeah. Open your arms.
Oh shit，係
啊
係我18號，sorry。
Where are you 啊
OK，it's 18號
？What
，it's
the-
18號。
How did you not know that?
I know, I just messed up. Sorry。
Sorry 大家。
我哋係文花賞演唱會1月18號約定你。Hello，
Emily。
大家如何？大家聖誕同邊個過？好好奇。應該 I guess like if people are dating, they won't be joining our life.
Because they're all
They're, like,
significant
dating.
others.
Yeah，冇辦法。
而家係有
我哋
13 more minutes。
OK，我而家倒數聖誕 ，yes。
不過 I can't believe it's already Christmas time.
Christmas time is here. We share the same
But
bed.
it's really big. Like
So big. Our
I'm out of frame, but,
size bed.
it's really. It's like 1.8米長吧？有1.8米長嗎？
有。
有1.8米長。
除咗演唱會，幾時再見我？可能整一個見面會，maybe 1月、2月整一見面會 ，and yeah 好期待可以同大家見面。Yay！
Yeah, can we have a fans club meet and greet? Can I be your fan?
No, you're gonna be with me, and like people want to meet you as well.
What?
It's gorgeous.
No.
幾時再大壞 Jenny？ 好快，我已經大壞咗佢啦。Are you in Hong Kong? No, I'm in Shanghai. Yay!
He called
Chelsea,
Chelsea.
someone's calling you.
Hi.
聽住 Emily 嘅歌度過。Oh, thank you.
Who's trying to join our live? Sorry.
有冇人想加入我哋嘅 live？ 有啲掛住我。Thank you， 我都有啲掛住你，掛住你哋。好耐冇嗰啲唱歌 event 咯，好掛住同大家見面。我記得嗰陣時仲可以同大家影相，好開心。
係啊 After Christmas, guys. After Christmas.
After
New
Christmas，
Year's.
好快就又可以同大家見面啦。
Yeah.
Yeah！ 暫時咁我如果想同我見面嘅話，我可以開多啲 live。嘻嘻。
And we can get
Yeah.
we can get other people on the live. Who can
Fan
get?
meeting。
We'll get Jenny on the
Jenny
live.
一定會拉 Jenny 同我一齊 live。Or like 俊明
love
，or like Cyber。我要同你打籃球，同我單挑。Do you know how to play basketball? Yeah, you were like at the team. You're gonna block me.
I'm only good at basketball because I'm tall.
Okay, Emily 中意咩卡通人物？
Kadomi. 卡通。
聖誕快樂！
聖誕快樂，聖誕快樂。
Hello。
Yeah, can we have a birthday party, bro? Can
Is
we
it
have a birthday?
August?
Yeah. That's
Yeah,
like
of course. 會唔會跑住馬拉松？Oh yeah, you know I'm gonna run like a
marathon.
Yeah, the 10K thing.
Okay.
And 大家記得可以 sponsor 我一齊跑步。死啦！我好耐冇跑步啦，要開始練跑。Yeah, but I need to practice.
We did practice yesterday.
Yeah， 我哋琴日其實跑咗一陣，because 好凍。Yeah， 好凍。Oh, do you know how to do my dance?
Oh, yeah, ready for
Oh my
it?
god, let's do! 表演我直到你另眼相看，將抑壓能量在台上釋放，攻克這殿堂。 乍露鋒芒，讓我今晚做女王，女王 Queen， 耶、Hello， 聖誕快樂。
聖誕快樂。
Any Christmas wish?
I wish for peace and harmony.
Oh my god. For me,
What do you want?
honestly,
Some M&Ms.
希望第一啦，食極唔肥。
Actually, honestly,
Right?
same. 我想 like my wish would be to be able to eat anything and not gain weight.
然之後 like I think it's like people around me like 開心健康 that's all
健康 is most important.
yes
健康
係咯同埋食極唔肥
係
有咩 question favorite song diva
what's my favorite song at the moment? I've been listening to Cat's Eye. Cat's Eye.
oh
is nice.
yes Cat's Eye
You're just a
Game Boy Well, your Christmas wish is having a boyfriend next year.
I think boyfriend is like cool, but I want to make myself better first, and then if there's someone suitable out there.
Yes.
Because we need a self-development, you know? Like, continue to level up. As long as you, like... You need to focus on yourself before you focus on someone else.
Exactly. Okay, should we open this?
Oh my god, yeah. Can we show everyone what photo we have on top?
Oh yeah.
So we, like, got it and, like, they can print a photo on it. And, like...
所以
chose
呢杯就
something.
係 M&M 啦。
Merry Christmas!
Wait, how do I open it? Oh,
It's
it's
a
stuck.
seal.
I'm so stupid. I'm sorry. 大家有啲咩歌想我哋唱，我哋都可以唱啦。
We should sing Last Christmas.
要12點啊！Is it？
No, it's not.
我哋仲有6分鐘倒數。聖誕節係我最中意嘅節日啦。
係啊 I agree.
Yes，因為其實我好貪心啊！聖誕節咧好開心啦，又凍啦，我中意 winter，and then yeah winter。香港好熱咯，我就知。香港好熱咯。不過上海就温度啱啱好，
係啊。
聖誕節應有嘅温度。
Is it my
Yes.
eyes? I can like barely see the screen.
Maybe come nearer。很想裝作我沒有靈魂，但你讚我性感。
Open it. Open it.
I can't open it, my nose.
I try.
很想勾壓拐騙的勾人，完了是變壞人。Oh my god, this lyrics is actually 呢個歌詞有啲
講咩意思
It's kind of like 18禁。
Really?
Yeah. Do you know how to sing When You're Gone? When you're gone. I don't know, I forgot, sorry.
I don't know that song.
Oh, Gareth T. 用背脊
I also don't
唱
know.
情歌 The one Ryan sang.
Oh.
眼淚若然多，用背脊唱情歌。他已望穿我。 Okay, Last Christmas. Let's sing Last Christmas. Can you sing and I'll harmonize you?
Yeah. Which part?
Da, da, da.
From.
Okay, let's do it.
But do you want to sing first chorus? I mean, first chorus or second? Yeah, first chorus, right? Once bitten,
And twice shy,
I keep my distance.
but you still catch my eyes. Tell me, baby.
Do you recognize me?
Yes.
Well,
It's been a year, it doesn't surprise me.
Merry Christmas.
I looked at it
With a note saying I love you, I missed it. Now I know what a fool I've been. But if you kiss me now, I know you'd
fold me again.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I
Gave it to someone special. Whoa, whoa.
This is.
Yeah. What else?
Open this.
難忘你，好聽過若無其事沒韻味，你真人其實陌生得可以記不起，無望你精彩過別來無恙如遊戲，我本人明白什麼都總有限期。第二首歌想唱乜？咁就要睇麥花臣嗰個演唱會，咁就知道我唱乜啦。Because 我會唱嗰首歌神秘歌曲，而家唔講得住。Do you know 小幸？Do you know 小幸運？
不知道。
OK。原來你是我最想留住的幸運，原來我們和愛情曾經靠得那麼近，那對抗時間的是你，那陪我的幸運，你咕嚕嚕嚕嚕，它會有多幸運 ？Sorry， 唔識個 lyrics。Yeah，
Guys，還有1分鐘。
想聽擋不住的風
黐線
Sing it, Chelsea！
死啦 Who said that?
就快12點。Wait, what time is it?
We still have
Wait,
one minute. We have 1
Wait,
minute.
do you have the
Yeah,
countdown?
yeah.
Okay. OK， 我哋一齊倒數。我哋仲有1分鐘。我哋1分鐘之後，我哋再唱歌。我哋一倒數先。OK， 陣間先介紹。
介紹
1 minute, yes.
And half a minute.
Half a minute. 大家聖誕做咩啊？快啲同我講，我要知道。我聖誕就係同佢一齊 hang out， 我哋一齊去玩。
Eat yummy food.
Yeah， 食好多嘢啦，食好多嘢，食極都唔肥。聖誕願望。
還有15 seconds.
OK， 15秒。好似倒緊數2026咁咯。
係啊。
But it's just Christmas, but
5 minutes.
Christmas is
5
important.
seconds. Sorry.
OK， 5、4、3、2。
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Hi! Merry
Merry
Christmas,
Christmas.
guys! Okay. Merry
Merry
Christmas!
Christmas.
One DSE， 加油 ！One final， 加油 ！Say 加油！
加油！
耶！大家聖誕快樂！祝大家開開心心。
係啊 and also a happy new year.
Happy New Year!
We wish
You a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! Yay! 同 friend 出街 Yay! Merry Christmas, everyone! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Emily.
Merry Christmas, Chelsea.
Merry Christmas, 周杰倫。
Merry Christmas, Chalisa. 溫考試，加油！加油！
Oh, should I show everyone what Emily
Feliz
got for
Navidad. What I got for Christmas? Oh yeah, I
Oh,
gave
can I
her.
open my present now?
Yes. I Don't want a lot for Christmas. There's just one thing I need.
I don't
Care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. Yay！ 大家一齊，我哋陪大家一齊過聖誕。OK， 咁我要分享一粒糖，唔係糖 M&M。咁咧我就定製咗啦一個我喺危險區嘅樣。其實睇唔睇到咧？
睇唔到啊！
我嘅睇唔到咯。
OK。
Not slaying。
呢
呢個就係我喺危險區個樣，喺電梯上面喊個樣，其實乜都見唔到啊！報警。
Why？
Can't see anything。
點解？
OK，but 總之就係我個樣啦。
係啊。
And 我會送俾大家食。呢個就係我喊嘅樣啦。我就會希望大家食完就開心。Wait, does it make sense?
It makes sense 。甜的。
Yeah， 甜的。What the hell is this?
It's Emily's face on an M&M。
係啊，總之就係我喊嘅相，我會請你食噶啦 ，Celine。Yay! Let's do a heart shape so people can like. Yay!
Oh, I thought we were doing this.
Oh yeah, okay. Love you guys.
Wow!
You did it as well.
Wow, she actually did me.
我有講粗口咩 ？I didn't. Merry Christmas！ 好抽獎，抽。你知 do a lucky draw and get this M。
OK。
係唔得嘅，不過唔知大家想唔想食。Yeah！
好。
Last Christmas， 我都想嚟表演啊！想嚟表演就可以成日都見到大家，好掛住好耐。上次見係幾時啊 ？When was the last time I performed？
It would have been。
哦，就係好似就係
呢個the show。I mean the concert。
上次喺全新天地嗰次。
Yeah。發布會。Oh。
聽我唱歌 ，What do you guys want me to sing?
Can you sing？
我哋一齊影相 ，Yes！ 我哋大家見面嘅時候，我哋就一齊影相。上11月，哇係喎，真係喎。The last time we I performed was like November。
Yeah。
Too
long。
Miss you guys， 好掛住大家。
太耐啦。
唔係上水廣場，我哋有一次係全新天地嗰次就係宣傳我哋演唱會。Yes。
唱得咩歌 ？What song did you sing？
叮當當。The one that 我走音。不過我
走音了。
就是在比賽的時候。OK，but 之後唔走音噶啦，我練好咗噶啦。
多多練習啦。
係噶啦，練習。會被罵，我怕了。當那電燈膽
啊！唔好
答應你們，完全是入替也不難。善良人埋藏着最壞的心眼，妄想一天你們會散，會選我嗎？啦。 listening to? Baby，
I know。
我哋外賣幾時到？我好肚餓。
而家 it's 12 more minutes.
12 more. Why can't I close?
We got no, it's so hard. We got football team is Chelsea. Wow.
Wow. 你可唔可以唱《擋不住的風情》啊？
真的嗎？
能把我什麼都應承，來吧我什麼都聽命，
但你別心急痴情，來吧要是情是要是情濃情，如學問把點水蜻蜓，如玉瀑白高低我定，別於自己枉聰明，無謂再自命是個大情聖，手要聽我命令，嘴要聽我談情，心要合我運慶。太久沒唱了。
I love the song. I love how you sing it. It's like a new version. Yes. 2025 version. Kiss me or kiss him. Oh my god, I can't close it. Maybe you gotta eat some. Eat some of my crying face. 今天終於一人回家。唔識唱。But I love that song. 唱永久算為Hubert 唔喺我隔離，不過我都可以唱嘅。
唱啊！
重啟不了人生，畫面永遠黑暗，損毀了的我試圖微笑，一碰已經熄了燈，沒靈魂沒有心，這空殼已經不懂再熱吻。Oh my god! Hubert 老師 ，Oh my god！ 好耐冇見。Merry Christmas！ 好掛住你啊 ，Hubert 老師。Long time no see。可以即刻做俾你。誰願見死不救，滴水不漏，像一顆石頭。輪途中小春與秋，一次愛亦是我不到。無淚流水，長遊 ，Let's go party！ Yes！
不過
OK，期待。OK 呀。OK， 我哋翻嚟就會就一齊 party。Yeah。
For New Year's。
係喎，好掛住 Hubert 老師啊。Hubert 老師有冇？哦，唔好意思。啊，背歌詞其實一直都係我最驚嘅嘢，唔係即係最重要嘅嘢。即係我會默書去背歌詞，因為我好驚我喺台上面唔記得歌詞。呢個係我 ，This is like my biggest fear, like forgetting lyrics。所以係 yes， 我好努力背歌詞。Oh my god, hi Chelsea. Yes, we're in Shanghai. 我聖誕，我聖誕。
Go visit my store.
哦，係喎。Okay, we should go tomorrow. Okay，我哋聽日去 visit 你嘅店。
拍 video.
Yes。我哋會。Oh, I need. Oh, can I search up like the lyrics
for today? Is that his song?
快啲。耶！好 ，Hubert 老師，我哋聽日。OK， 其實我知道係邊㗎，我見過你 IG po 過。OK，let's go tomorrow。
OK，we must。
我哋聽日嘅任務就係去 Hubert 老師間鋪頭。Yes，thanks，welcome。Oh my god，so So exciting！咁我哋聽日有行程啦，好好，因為我哋仲未知道應該去邊。
Wow, not
Yeah.
a good student.
我哋去宣傳 ，of course.
Merry
Ugh.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
How far is up?
Here's your gift. Here's my gift for you.
Actually, guys, this is Emily's gift to me. It's so cute, Vivienne Westwood, and I'm gonna open it right now. Has
Aw.
everyone got their presents?
大家收到啲咩聖誕禮物啊？收唔到咧，我就俾個
Oh my god!
吻大家。
Thank you, Emily! Oh my god, so cute. I can wear it like. Oh, I'm gonna wear it like this.
Oh, so cute.
And there's a sweet,
Aw.
sweet little card.
Hubert 老師要瞓覺啦。Good night, Hubert 老師，越嚟越靚仔。
Merry
And
Christmas!
Merry Christmas, love you.
Love you.
Good night, Hubert 老師。耶！有冇食小籠包？我哋有啊，
好好食
好好食啊！有蟹粉啦，like this, yeah, it's so good.
I
Yay.
forgot, will you go? 想去 Disneyland，不過 I feel like it would be very busy.
係啊，即係我哋覺得，我哋都有諗過去嘅，不過就
And we can go to the one.
係咯，我哋
in
翻香
係啊
港會去咯。耶！好開心啊！Bro, I can't close it。
係啦。
好攰。Queen。
She is a
假使當初可以為了你。Wait, this is not 龍虎山泉 I can't hold it 。假使當初可以為了你，忘了愛所有人，分開手去追尋，足可擁抱千萬人。即使天空海闊沒有愛，還有你這個人，燒光一個森林，將灰燼裏的熱能當做一點陪襯。Yay! You remember the song. Yay! So happy. Yeah! 大家聖誕同邊個過啊？冇人嘅話咧，我可以你可以當我哋係陪你過啊！Yay!
Look, I did it.
Slay. Can I search up something?
Oh, my phone's on 1%.
Stop. 做 LOVE 手勢 Do it.
L
It's for the way you look at me.
O is for the only.
The one I see.
V
is ordinary.
extraordinary.
Ordinary.
E is what is E?
Yo.
Every.
Is for Emily.
E is for Emily.
同我一齊過聖誕節我哋一齊過緊啦！你呢15分鐘都係同緊我一齊過。Slay and Chelsea. Yay! I gotta find the song. The L is for the way you looked at me. 大家最中意嘅聖誕歌係咩？我咧就 What's your favorite Christmas song?
Probably like Last Christmas. Or I want you to know that
I'll never need it 'cause I miss the snow till death will be freezing.
Yeah,
You are my home
for a season. So
Come on, let's go
let's go
below zero and hide from the sun.
I love you
Forever,
and we'll
have some fun.
Yes, let's hit the North Pole.
Live
But I like
happily.
All I Want for Christmas, but I feel like it's so overplayed.
Oh,
Like everywhere you go,
it's like top one's
da da
Christmas
da
song.
da da. I don't wanna, and it's like
Mm-hmm.
so.
Yay! My favourite Christmas song is For Now. 我成日都轉咯。I always change.
Christmas?
No. For Now is Santa baby sit under the tree for me. Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells, jingle bells run. Oh my god, I'm sorry. 我真係 there's 我冇一個歌詞記得咯。
Which one?
None of them. So bad at remembering.
I know it because when I was a child I sang it. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells.
說過最愛你是手願意捐給你托着頭，做你的安枕當好足夠，人人的天真可以永久。喂，想一生看下去，還會等一天80歲，有當子的點綴，未來只有樂趣。和你去拖手看新居，雙眼開始像飲醉，猶如觀星，你在這裏，我的雙眼裏尋找到美麗之最。
哇，好好聽啊
Yeah！
好好聽，好好聽。
加油啊，考試！
加油
Yes！ 到此一遊。
Can you sing Lonely Christmas? Do you know the lyrics? Lonely, lonely
Christmas,
Merry,
Merry Christmas.
I
I don't know that.
Yeah, I don't really know it either.
對唔住大家，真係唔識記歌詞。我記歌詞要一段時間。
Yeah.
Really
Why are
bad.
you so slow?
I'm sorry. At least 我肥咗嘅時候我唔記得。Yeah, I didn't mess up in the sing song.
Imagine forgetting your lyrics on stage. I feel like it would be really scary. Oh,
Wow.
that's long.
Wow， 情像雨點，此斷難斷，要是去想，更是凌亂。我要在我有我的尊嚴，不許再受損。無奈我心要變難變，要是去想，更是凌亂。永遠在愛與痛的邊緣，應該怎麼決定挑選？Yeah！ OK， 咁我哋It's coming, right?
It's coming.
OK， 我哋
5
再
minutes.
OK， 我哋再5分鐘，我哋25分就會停呢個 live， 再陪大家過聖誕過多5分鐘，耶！
How about Queen?
Queen. What is Queen?
Emily's Queen.
Oh. 普通朋友，等待。我这两天
Oh, you know that?
等待。Wait, I know the lyrics. 我无法只是普通朋友，感情已那么深，叫我这么的放手。当你说爱 I only wanna be a friend， 做个朋友，我在意你心中只是 just a friend， 不是情人。我感激你对我这样的坦白，但我给你的爱暂时收不回来。So I 不能只是 I just can't be your friend.
I like that song. That's a good song.
Do you know 想见你？想见你，只想见你，未来过去，我只想见你。唯一的就是堅持你。點解我又唔記得歌詞 ？I'm so sorry.
Can we sing 不得不愛
You sing.
I don't know it. Do you not know it?
陪我講，陪我出我們最好。Love, love, love.
I agree with that comment.
明不白，不分好歹，都為了愛，愛，有一天分開，四海找不到愛。花不開，樹不白，還是更暢快。愛還是會期待，還是覺得孤單太失敗。我愛故我在。耶！好期待啊！即係而家暫時最早可以見到大家就係麥花臣咯，咁就 Oh my god so excited！ 好期待1月，
好快。
Yeah， 等我再進步啲先。Yeah， 咁我就演唱會就可以發揮得更好啦。
Yeah, it'll be really good.
Yay！ 因為 because I'm running the marathon before a few hours
straight before.
Yes， 即係我嗰日演唱會
不過好
嗰日嘅朝早我
You'll be
會
so tired.
Yeah，so 我要準備好。咁所以就演唱會之前嗰10個鐘。Oh, thank you。咁就係係咯，希望我唔會死啦。
You won't die.
Yeah.
You'll be fine.
Okay, I'll be fine.
Maybe we need to start going running.
Yeah， 我哋練跑。
Practice our like
aerobic
yeah.
capacity. Yes， 我哋就練跑。OK， 仲有2分鐘，陪大家過多2分鐘聖誕節。1分鐘 ，Oh my god，I'll miss you guys。好開心同大家一齊傾偈。
希望可以下次再見啦。
係，
hopefully we can do this again. Let's do another live sometime. Maybe
Oh,
for,
speak Cantonese。
Oh,
我哋而家講廣東話 ，Chelsea， 我唔會再同你講英文或者普通話。Yes， 我哋要
可以聽得明㗎。
哇，勁喎！佢聽得明喎。
聽得明啦，以前聽唔明，但係而家可以。
哇，勁！而家佢聽得明喎，所以有啲 feel。
有進步。
有進步，真係好大進步。由我一開始識佢嘅時候。
Like in the beginning, I couldn't understand
at
all because Cantonese and Mandarin is so different. Like, even though it's like some of the words are similar, but most words, because the tone is so different, you don't understand it.
不過而家你起碼都識啦。
係啊。
OK， 咁我之後同你講，邊個教 ？Who taught you Cantonese?
Myself.
Oh my god, slay!
And like friends, like Emily, when I see anyone, I'm like 同佢講廣東話好唔好？
係啊。OK， 同你講廣東話。之後呢個旅程直到返香港，我都係同你講廣東話。And 聽日我哋就去Hubert 個店啦，咁我哋就去 shopping。
Be excited for more of our
我哋會
上海
嘅
photos。
Yes， 我哋影咗好多相，好開心。耶！我好開心，我好期待之後麥花臣見到大家。咁我哋應該，我會嘗試開多啲 live， 然之後就可以同大家傾多啲偈啦。
係。1月18號
約定你。係啦。好啦。
Bye guys。
拜拜。
Love you guys。
Let's do a hot
Merry Christmas。
聖誕快樂。
聖誕快樂。
係啊，我哋外賣。冇外賣。OK。我哋完咗，我哋就去。
actually arrived. It just arrived. So we gotta go eat.
好，我哋之後 po 好多相，然之後好期待見到再